Usually, ooh. So for today's foundation is by the brand Glad to Glow. The name is Glad to Glow Perfect Cover Glow Cushion Foundation. I tak nak macam silaukan korang. Yeah, that is how it looks like. I'm a huge fan of the original one, which is the pink one. This is the Perfect Cover, and this one is called Perfect Cover Glow, which means this one is a glowing foundation. This one is like satin, like semi-matte finish macam tu. So usually I pilih shade nombor 2 Praline, but this time I pilih colour 01 Buttercream. The reason is that I perasan kalau glowy foundation, kalau I pilih a little bit dark, dia akan oxidize on me. That's why I pilih shade Buttercream. Yang ini dalam dia ada cermin. I belum buka lagi dia punya film to cover the mirror. Dia punya teardrop cushion foundation that looks like this. Nicely fit 3 fingers. This is the appropriate amount of finger you guys need to have to blend your foundation, okay? So nothing new lah. Dalam dia pun sama je macam any other cushion foundation. Dah ada I punya moisturizer. My skin is nicely moisturized and prepped. Okay, this is my current issue. I have clogged pores everywhere for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, so I ambil dalam like that much. Okay, like that much. So I can start macam biasa dekat tengah-tengah muka, and then baru I bawa ke tepi. Kalau I apply terus dekat belakang, dia akan lebih banyak coverage dekat belakang muka I. Ooh, the coverage is amazing. So dap-dap macam tu. You know what? The shade is good. Or maybe selama ni I salah pilih shade. Maybe my shade is this 101. Wow, look at that coverage. So you guys can see kat sini, it looks so glowing. And I boleh blend dia dalam beberapa saat je with that one dab, kan? Okay, usually I akan elakkan apply foundation around my eye. Tapi sebab foundation ni dia sangat glowing and dia tak rasa heavy langsung. So I just blend like the rest yang ada dekat sponge ni, I just blend je dekat I punya under eye. Ooh, that is full coverage. So this is how the foundation is looking like. Yang ini muka I without the foundation. And this side is with foundation. Okay. Whew. The coverage. And I really love the shade. I really love the shade. So the glowiness, dia tak macam Skintific Pink. Kalau Skintific Pink tu dia sangat-sangat glowing. Dia hampir kepada macam berminyak. But this one, dia hits nicely. Nampak tu dekat I punya cheeks. Ooh, that is so pretty. Jom kita apply kat sini. My only issue kan with glowing foundation ni, I risau dia akan clog your pores. Glowing foundation ni sometimes dia ada oil sebab tu dia glowing tau. Kalau korang macam I, combination skin, kulit you easily clog. Senang dapat macam jerawat yang tak ada mata tu. It is a little bit concerning actually. So I hope this foundation dia tak clog my pores. Dia punya shade dia. All this while, I thought I'm in the shade 02 Praline. Rupanya I 01 je you guys. I was so worried kan kalau I pilih shade yang terlalu terang, nanti muka I nampak kelabu. But not really actually. Lagi satu, for glowing foundation ni, korang get ready. Dia senang terangkat. Contoh dia. See? Maksudnya dia tak transfer proof. So, macam ni. Cuba I letakkan hidung I. Apa tu? So, kalau korang jenis yang pakai anti badai, this is not one of it. So, blend betul-betul and use your favorite setting spray, okay? So, I akan biarkan dia sit on my face for a little bit. I nak tengok dia oxidize ke tak. Hopefully, dia tak oxidize too much, okay? So, I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. This is how it looking like on my face. It is so pretty. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything. It is full coverage. Dia tak oxidize. Yeah, dia tak oxidize on me. You guys tengok sendiri, dia tak keki. I have already set my face dengan setting powder dekat I punya hidung, dekat I punya eyes, dengan I punya chin sikit. And this is how it looks like. I think I just found a new favorite cushion foundation. The shade is also very nice on my skin. Dia macam, dia tak adalah exactly my shade, but it is close to my skin tone, which I love. Dia tak pink and dia tak too beige. I wish I boleh buat wear test sekarang, tapi sekarang dah pukul 5 petang. Also, ingat tak yang I cakap tadi dia senang transfer? I have spray dengan I punya favorite setting spray. This is by Dazzle Me. Sebab tu walaupun I dah set muka I dengan powder, you guys still can see like glowing dekat I punya muka. Bukan sebab minyak, but because of this setting spray. This is a dewy setting spray. So, jom kita try the transfer tak? Nope. 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 This is so good. This is my second bottle. Dah ringan dah nak habis, I need to buy new one. But yeah, kalau you ada this cushion foundation and you nak makeup you tahan lama, beli setting spray yang bagus yang memang tak akan transfer your makeup. This is one of it. I ada dua, satu warna pink. So kalau you pakai foundation tadi, you kena beli dua setting spray ni supaya makeup you tak transfer, makeup you tak bergerak. Dia akan stay on throughout the day. Spray generously, okay? So, ikutlah yang mana you nak spray. Macam I sebab sekarang, I pakai Glad to Glow ni yang glowing punya foundation. So, I pakai glow punya spray. You nak pakai matte pun boleh. So, it's up to you, okay? So, berapa rating yang I nak bagi dekat I punya Glad to Glow Perfect Cover Glow Foundation ni? 9 per 10. So guys, if you guys like my review, jangan lupa subscribe. It will help me a lot. And let me know foundation apa lagi yang I kena try. Sebab I sebenarnya dah tak tahu dah foundation apa yang nak try. Okay? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.